Here we have a Brother embroidery machine that needs to have its thread cutter cleaned. So we're going to start by removing our cover plate, and that's going to expose our thread cutter. So on this thread cutter you have a small bit of fuzzy that's supposed to be there. It's actually stuck to, it's adhered to this part right here, this metal part. And what it's there for is to hold the thread or trap the thread so that after a thread cut, your first stitch that you make will be completed because it's holding the tail of the thread. So you do not want to remove this brush pile. I see these all the time with this part moved, pulled out of there because they think it's the fuzz. It's not. It's there for a reason. Its technical name is a brush pile. So you use tweezers and a little straight pin to pick some of the threads out, and you have to be really careful because some of these little metal parts in here are very thin and can be bent and dislodged pretty easily. So you want to make sure you take extra special care not to damage any parts in here, so don't get too aggressive. But you can use the straight pin to move stuff, move a little bit of the threads out where you can get a hold of them with your tweezers and remove them. So once you have that all cleaned up and all of the debris out of the way, you're simply going to take your plate, cover plate, pop it back into place, and you are ready to sew with a brand new clean thread cutter.